Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 Vlogs. If you are always on the search for the best eateries in Metro Manila and beyond. To the uninitiated, carinderias are typically open-air eateries that employ a turo-turo, literally point-point system where you point to a dish to order. Please visit 8th Avenue, Caloocan for one of the best carinderias in the Metro Manila, Tony's Restaurant. Tony's Restaurant is a Chinese-type carinderia located in Grace Park, Caloocan City. It's not common to find a Chinese carinderia in the metro and even in the entire country, and the only one restaurant in Caloocan City famous for serving the best soup number 5 or Gokong soup in town. Tony's Restaurant is one of the best carinderias you need to try in life, and the dishes are overall delicious. Also, many of their dishes are uncommon for a carinderia, making your visit to Caloocan City worth your time and drive.
Hello.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
Hey, Mountain Dew. Toyo, pralito.
Please do watch our other food crawl series.
Thank you po. Sa ilalim yung Kiampong natin. Patola sa Gokong. Okay. Sorry ha. Nilagang baka and seafood baka. Isang ano? Nilagang baka. Sa Tadyang comfort dyan, ate ko, please. Sige po, mama. Tayo mapingi ako dyan.
This will definitely is one of top 5 food spots for 2025. Needless to say, we highly recommend Tony's Restaurant to you.
Dalawang bilubuan. Yan ang nilaga na to. Ako, ma'am. Nilaga ko. Nilaga ko. Bibigay mo sa kanila. Kiampong 130, ma'am. Thank you,
Thank you for watching.
$210.